Hi guys, welcome back to my simple tutorial. Okay, so now I'm playing the More You Ignore Me by the Morrissey. So I'm using a capo, so I'm put on the third frets spot. Okay, so this is the intro. This is the chords. Okay, let's play.